Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a unique product designed for beauty professionals and enthusiasts alike, the BYOOTIQUE Rolling Manicure Table. This portable nail table doubles as a trolley case, combining convenience, style, and functionality, especially for those who need to work on the go. If you're a nail technician, makeup artist, or simply someone who loves all things beauty, this may be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's break it down. The BYOOTIQUE Rolling Manicure Table comes in a dreamy light pink color, which instantly gives off a fresh, inviting vibe. Whether you're setting up a booth at a flea market or need a mobile workstation for client appointments, its compact yet expandable design allows you to easily transform it from a travel case to a full workstation. The floor-standing table folds out when needed, and the foldable nature makes it incredibly versatile for storage and transport. Storage is one of its standout features. The table comes equipped with a bottom compartment that includes 4 drawers, ideal for keeping tools like nail dryers, drill machines, and other essentials neatly organized. The top compartment offers a removable divider for your nail polishes, lipsticks, or skincare products. This makes the BYOOTIQUE table not only functional, but also helps keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free, which is a must for any professional. From a durability standpoint, the table is built with a sturdy aluminum frame and metal-wrapped corners, offering excellent impact protection. This design ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Plus, the secure lockable latches with keys on the lid and password access on the door provide added security for your cosmetics and tools, keeping everything safe when you're on the move. I've had the chance to incorporate this table into my beauty routine, and it's been a pleasant experience. The swivel wheels are smooth and easy to maneuver, which makes transporting the table from one room to another, or even to an outdoor setup, a breeze. Whether I'm using it for nail art or makeup application, I love how the top compartment helps me keep everything organized and easy to reach. Plus, the built-in mirror is a thoughtful touch, perfect for checking your makeup while on the go. However, I did notice that while the compact size is great for mobility, the table can feel a bit small if you need extra surface space. For those who work with a lot of tools or clients, you might find the limited area a bit restrictive. The drawers, while useful, don't offer a ton of depth, so organizing larger items can get tricky. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the table's portability and versatile storage are huge pluses. The 360-degree swivel and detachable wheels make it incredibly easy to move around, and the design offers a nice balance between aesthetics and functionality. The mirror and elastic straps under the lid for makeup tools are thoughtful touches that enhance its usability. On the flip side, the smaller surface area and shallow drawers might not work for everyone. If you're a beauty professional who needs a larger workstation for your gear, this might feel a bit cramped. Also, while the pink color is cute, it might not appeal to everyone, especially if you're looking for something more neutral or professional. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it depends on your specific needs. The BYOOTIQUE Rolling Manicure Table is reasonably priced for its portability and features, especially considering the built-in security features and organizational compartments. However, for those who don't need a mobile workstation, it might feel like an unnecessary investment. In terms of build quality, the sturdy aluminum frame and protective corners ensure this table can handle the occasional bump or knock. The lockable latches add peace of mind if you're transporting valuables, and the overall design feels durable enough for long-term use. I'd also say the wheels should hold up well, but if you use the table frequently, they might need some maintenance over time. Now, if the price point is a concern for you, there are some alternatives out there, but not many offer the same combination of portability, secure storage, and sleek design. You might find simpler, more affordable storage cases, but they won't have the same mobile functionality or the built-in mirror and security features. To wrap it up, the BYOOTIQUE Rolling Manicure Table is a solid option for beauty professionals who need a compact, mobile workstation that combines style, security, and practicality. It's especially suited for those who do on-the-go beauty work, such as makeup artists or nail techs who attend markets or pop-up events. If you have a lot of tools or need more space, you might want to consider other options. But for everyday use and small setups, it offers great value. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for visiting Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.